I am Kanik Maheshwari. Let me start my resume by starting with my background. I was born in Etawah, UP. Because of my father's transferable job, I have been to many cities. I have done my schooling from Etawah, Ahmedabad and Delhi. I have done my 10th from Maharaja Agrasen Vidyalaya, Ahmedabad. I have done my 12th from Elcon Public School, Delhi. Because of my fascination for softwares and coding, I pursued my BE in computer engineering from Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology. I am a pass out of 2010 batch. After completing my graduation, I worked with Atrenta India Private Limited for 33 months. I was there as a senior software engineer. My responsibilities were to develop and head control data flow graph generation module for better modularization and testability. I was a SPOC of data flow analysis module and formulated it. I prioritized customer requirements, narrowed and resolved them considering the industry standards. I was rated exceptional in my yearly appraisal process in 2011 and 2013. I mentored new associates, groomed them with timely inputs, and monitored their progress. I received an organization level award, Kudos Award, for my excellent work. Just as in the award-winning Chinese movie of Three Monks, I realized how vital it is to divide the work into smaller and smaller segments. Not only does it improve productivity multiple times, but also removes the limitation of working like a craftsman, where all the work is done by a single person. In some cases during my work life, I have observed teams falling apart where a person is overloaded with the work of the whole team. I also understand that like a Navram cube, where one face consists of all the 9 different colors. A team also needs to have different personalities where each member can bring in different perspective. As in the Navram cube, elements join to form rods, rods join to form plates, and plates join to form entire cube. I can find a clear analysis with the organization structure. People join to form teams, team joins to form accounts, and accounts to form departments. Departments finally come to verticals, and finally all the verticals come to form an organization. The solving of Navram cube is somewhat like solving the problem of organization management. As the cube has different people at different colors at different positions, same is a situation with organization statement. There should not be a people of the same skills at the same level. It could lead to ego clashes and skill efficiency. As the colors of the rainbow or here the Navram cube, each strata or division of an organization should be made up of different types of people so that the organization structure is holistic and multidimensional. Solving the cube is similar to solving any solution in an organization, as all the steps are pre-decided and has to be followed in the same order. If a step goes wrong, the cube forming goes wrong. Same is the case with the organization. If a step goes wrong, the whole process has to be done again. Going deep into how a team works, the concept of tower building comes to the fore. Setting smart goals, making plans to achieve them, and coordinating between the members of the team along with the leadership are the factors which determine the success of the team as a whole. If I got selected, I would bring my work ethics with the ability to manage people through different personalities. My teamwork ability will help to lead team in a particular goal, keeping everyone's motives in consideration. My future coaching ability will help to foresee situation which company and take preventive actions accordingly. My passion, dedication, and commitment will make me grow with the company. If you give me this position, you will feel proud to have me in your organization, and I will feel proud to be part of this organization. Thank you.